Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll all the way down, then choose System. Now go into Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Over here you need to select Theme and scroll down. Then choose Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available options and tap on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Now you can manage key borders by tapping on this switcher and apply your keyboard by choosing Apply. As you can see, when I go back, theme of mine has changed. If you want to customize it though, you can do that by going into the same settings, but this time selecting this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as a keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you need to select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then tap on Done, manage key borders and choose Apply. If you wish to make some changes, you can always edit your keyboard by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon, making your changes, and then selecting Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!